Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. You're watching Beyond World is One with me, Diksha Bisla. Before we unpack the biggest stories of this hour, let's take a quick check on the headlines. US President Donald Trump says he is confident of reaching a trade deal with China. Terms Chinese President Xi Jinping as ambitious while recalling last week's conversation with him as friendly. Hamas is expected to provide Israel today with the names of 4 hostages to be released tomorrow in the second phase of the hostage prisoner exchange of first phase of the ceasefire agreement. Governor of Russia's Ryazan region says emergency crews are dealing with the aftermath of attack on Ryazan town as air defense units destroy drones in the region. An oil refinery and a power station are reportedly hit in the attack.
We're protecting them, you know. They're not protecting us, we're protecting them. So I don't think we should be spending, I'm not sure we should be spending anything, but we should certainly be helping them. But they should up their 2% to 5%, yeah.
US President Donald Trump says he's not sure the United States should be spending anything on NATO, as US is protecting NATO members, but they are not. British teenager Alex Ruda-Cubana jailed for life for killing 3 young girls in a stabbing spree. Judge orders him to serve a minimum of 52 years. A Paris court sentences a Pakistani man to 30 years in jail for attempting to murder 2 people outside the former offices of Charlie Hebdo in 2020 with a meat cleaver. Bollywood actor Saif Ali Khan records his statement with the Mumbai police following the January 16th attack at his home. The actor suffered stab injuries after an intruder entered his home for an apparent burglary. Indian stocks open higher as they track favorable global cues. But experts warn volatility may continue as investors await the budget announcement on February 1st.